Sir, there was one petition by Dhyan Foundation. What happened today?
Today the matter was listed for pronouncing of order, and the court has pronounced order. The court has said that it is disposed. There are certain directions issued by the court. The operative part will be the entire judgment order will be uploaded in some time. So we are just awaiting what are the directions issued by the court.
But what was the prayers?
See, prayer was like this: when the magistrate, the district magistrate had passed a order where vacating the place, and not vacating the place, the shifting of cattle from that place where the cattle shed was demolished and all. From there, the cattle were directed to be shifted within 12 hours to a different location, and the state itself was then engaged in shifting the cattle. So the petition was filed challenging that order of the district magistrate, the SDM. So and thereafter some amendments were made, some different affidavits were filed, some allegations were made. So, but the matter was finally argued on the last occasion, and today the court has disposed of the matter. But frankly, we do not know what are the final directions issued by the court. The request made on behalf of the petitioner was that they must be permitted to go and see those cattle in the new wherever they are shifted in Bicholim, and then if they can take them back or something like that. But what the court has granted, we do not know.